Lists can be filtered by using the column header search boxes. These search boxes can be shown and hidden by clicking on the magnifying glass. By default, the system will search values that start with the phrase that you enter. Some field types also allow partial phrase searching. You can add an asterisk at the beginning of your search phrase to find results that contain, rather than start with, the phrase that you're searching for. As you add search terms into different columns, these conditions will compile as breadcrumbs at the top of the page. You can delete conditions in any order by deleting the phrases from the column search boxes, or by clicking on one of the breadcrumbs, which will remove all subsequent conditions in the string. Click on All to clear all conditions. To quickly filter a list using a value in a field, right-click in the cell, and select Show Matching or Filter Out. This includes when you want to filter records by a certain field being empty. For date fields, you can also choose from Show Before and Show After. When using these filters on a date and time field, remember that the specific time is taken into consideration. For more detailed condition options, click the filter icon. Here you can set many more conditions. All fields that exist within the table can be filtered here, not just the fields that display in your personalized list view. Click Run to see the results. You can also access and filter by related fields. Scroll to the bottom and select Show Related Fields. Now when you click back into the choices, you can access fields related to reference fields. We'll select user fields related to the assigned to field. Now when we click back into the choices, we're seeing user fields. As an example, we'll select Active, and filter this incident list to show only records that have an assigned to user who is active. To get back the incident list fields, scroll to the bottom of the choice field and select Remove Related Fields. The speech bubble next to the filter icon is the natural language filter. This has been available since ServiceNow Quebec. Tips for how to use this are available here. One way to save this filtered list is to click the hamburger menu button and select Create Favorite. You can also access these same options by right-clicking anywhere along the title bar. Give the favorite a name, select an icon, and the color of the icon. This will be saved in the Favorites menu on the left. When the sidebar is minimized, you can still open your favorites by clicking on the icons. Other pages, like forms and dashboards, can also be saved here. Click the hamburger button on any page to see if the Create Favorite option is available. Click the Edit button at the bottom to reposition, remove or update your favorites. Only you can see these favorites. Another way to save a filtered list is by clicking Save in the filter menu. Here you can save a filtered list and make it visible to everyone, or a specific group of users. Once saved, these favorite filters are accessible from the hamburger button.